Hello guys, I'm Stanley Monyoki, a student in Egerton University taking Bachelor of Science in Agricultural Economics, and I want to take you for now to grow potatoes. Potatoes, their botanical name is Solanum tuberosum. They originated from America in the region of Peru. Potatoes, they contain 80% water, 2% proteins, and 18% proteins. They have bands. They have eyes which grows into bands. And Solanum tuberosum, they are cultivars. For example, they are Kenya Baraka and Brumbo.
3.
Yeah, Solanum tuberosum, about their ecological requirement. For example, in altitude, they require altitude of above 1,000 meters above sea level. But some cultivars can do well in a range of between 400 to 1,000 meters above sea level. About the temperature, Solanum tuberosum, it requires a temperature of, for growth, it requires a temperature of about 20 degrees Celsius. That is first growth, but about the late growth, it requires temperatures of 16 degrees Celsius. For tuberization to occur, the temperature must be 16 to 20 degrees Celsius. About the rainfall, it requires a lot of rainfall because most of its content is water. About the light, most of the cultivars of Solanum tuberosum are day neutral. And about the soils, it can do well in a wide range of soils of that ranges between light to heavy soils. And also the soil pH must have to be 5.2 to 6.
3.
For your Solanum tuberosum to do well, you have to practice some of the cultural practices. For example, you have to do earthing up. Earthing up is mounding of the soil around the base of the plant. This helps to prevent the growing tubers from the direct sunlight, which causes graining. And also, it helps to aerate the soil for the tubers to grow well, and also to enlarge in underground the soil. It is also advisable because it also prevents the tubers from the direct sunlight, especially for those who practice irrigation for your tubers, especially those who are in the arid and semi-arid areas. It is also advisable because it improves the quality of the tubers. The other thing, it is about the weeding. The weeding is done along the rows, and it should be you have to do it because some of it, if they grow around these rows, they may bring competition with the Solanum tuberosa and leading to poor quality of produce. It is also advisable because it prevents the spread of pests and diseases. The other thing is about harvesting. When the Solanum tuberosum is ready to harvest after 90 to 150 days of establishment. After you have established your Solanum tuberosum, it may take around 90 to 150 days to grow. And if it grows, about the harvesting, you come just and remove the mountain soil around the plants so that you can obtain your tubers and be ready to transport to the market for you to sell, and also be ready to store them for if there is no ready market. Yeah.